580 light-years from home, a world floats in the habitable zone of a distant star. Kepler-186f, by every metric, it's one of humanity's greatest hopes, an Earth-sized planet with the potential for liquid water. It's the destination for our first interstellar colony, a new beginning. But in the vast silence of space, looks can be deceiving. This isn't just a new home. It's the ultimate survival test, first contact. The ground feels solid, the gravity only slightly heavier, a constant, tiring pressure on the body. The sky is a permanent crimson twilight, illuminated by a dim, red dwarf star that hangs in the sky like a dying ember. This star provides only 1/3 of the light Earth receives, forcing the local flora of it exists into strange, dark new forms of photosynthesis, painting the landscape in shades of deep purple and black. The initial readings are a miracle. The temperature is mild. The atmosphere contains oxygen, nitrogen, and water vapor. And on the horizon, the unmistakable glint of liquid water. All the ingredients for life are here. It seems our gamble has paid off. But this is where the illusion of safety shatters. The first challenge, power, the solar panels, designed for our brilliant yellow sun, are useless here. They barely generate a trickle of energy from the faint red dwarf, but the star's dimness hides a violent secret. Without warning, red dwarfs can unleash superflares, blasting their planets with lethal doses of X-ray and UV radiation, capable of sterilizing the surface and stripping away an atmosphere in an instant. Any settlement would need to be shielded or buried. The second killer is in the very air itself. While oxygen is present, atmospheric analysis reveals unknown alien compounds and microorganisms. A single breath without a helmet could introduce a toxin the human body has no defense against, or worse, a microbe that sees us not as explorers, but as a food source. Every sample of air, water, and soil must be treated as a deadly poison until proven otherwise. With a reliable nuclear power source running, the habitat begins to take shape. For a moment, survival seems possible, but Kepler-186f has saved its deadliest secret for last. The sky darkens, but not with familiar clouds. A mist rolls in, and it begins to rain. It's not ordinary rain. On this cold world, under these specific atmospheric pressures, this is supercooled rain. The droplets remain liquid far below water's normal freezing point. They are a physical impossibility on Earth, but here, they are a harbinger of death. The moment these supercooled droplets touch a solid surface, the suit, the helmet, the habitat, they flash freeze. Within seconds, the astronaut's visor is completely blinded by a rapidly thickening layer of ice. The suit's joints lock up, encased in a brittle shell. The temperature inside the suit crashes. Kepler-186f was not Earth's twin. It was a cosmic mirage, offering the promise of life while hiding a dozen ways to die. Survival in the universe is not just about finding a planet that looks like ours. It's about anticipating the dangers you can't even imagine. Out of billions of exoplanets, thousands will look habitable. But how many are just waiting with a new, undiscovered law of physics or chemistry to end us? In these alternate timelines of discovery, one wrong step is the difference between a new home and a new grave. What unseen danger do you think is the deadliest threat on alien worlds? Let us know in the comments below, and for more journeys into the terrifying possibilities of the cosmos, subscribe to Alternate Timelines.